that I found out when doing Pepakura is that one of the most hard things to do isn't the bond of work, it isn't the putting the pieces of paper together, it's the actual sanding. So I'm going to show you how to sand your Pepakura. This may sound really stupid and really simple, but it helps in the long run. First of all, you'll need sandpaper. You'll need multiple forms of sandpaper. You'll need 60 grit. You'll need your 100 grit or your 150, and then your 200. And then once you're done with all this, you're going to need a piece of steel wool. So let's get to it. I'll show you how to do it, and then hopefully your Pepakura can look a lot better because of it. Now, first things first, this is my Magneto helmet from first class that I'm working on for probably about a week now. Actually, it's probably more like 3 weeks now. But anyways, we're just going to focus on one area for sanding. The first area that I want to focus on is right here. This is how I'll demonstrate how to do this technique. So first, you'll start with your 60 grit sandpaper. You're going to get that really good. And what this does is it takes out the first and major chunks. So once that's done, you're going to move to your 100 grit sandpaper. And down to your 150. The 200 is actually 220. And as you can tell right now, it is pretty smooth as it is. The nick right here is actually going to have to be filled in with Bondo later and then resanded. And then you just go over that with steel wool. And this is actually pretty smooth right now. So, you can actually see my reflection if I stick my finger on it. I don't think the video will capture it though. But yeah. For watching once again, please like, subscribe. I'm always open to doing different helmets, so let me know what you want to see done. Check out my website, check out my Tumblr. Thank you and have a great day.